National Weather Service in Huntsville, Alabama has issued a tornado warning for south central Lauderdale County in northwestern Alabama, southwestern Colbert County in northwestern Alabama, northwestern Franklin County in northwestern Alabama, until 10:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 9:50 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a confirmed tornado was located over Tishomingo State Park, moving east at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, damaging tornado. Source, weather spotters confirmed tornado. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This tornadic thunderstorm will remain over mainly rural areas of south-central Lauderdale, southwestern Colbert, and northwestern Franklin counties, including the following locations: Malone, Posey Loop, Pogo, Mount Hester, Strigley Church, New Bethel, Allsboro, Maud, Barton, and Red Rock. To repeat, a tornado is on the ground. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris.